Hello, and welcome to TechBoost TV. Today we're going to be looking at the Dell 7810 Workstation. Although other operating systems may work, these are certified by the manufacturer to run on Windows 7 Pro, Windows 8.1 Pro, Windows 10 Pro, and Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.0 and 7.2. Before diving into the technical specifications, let's go over the physical characteristics of the system. The dimensions of the workstation come in at 16.3 inches tall, 6.79 inches wide, and 18.54 inches deep. This system supports 2 processors and up to 256 gigabytes of RAM. It has 2 3.5-inch internal drive bays, as well as one 5.25-inch bay. Looking at the outside of the system, we can see convenient carrying handles for easier mobility. This system has one slimline drive bay, which can support a DVD-ROM or DVD-RW drive. As noted earlier, the system also has a 5.25-inch drive bay, which can be used to install optical drives, media readers, or additional 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drives. The power button is located at the top of the system, which glows white when the system is turned on. The front ports on the 7810 workstation include 3 USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.0, 1 microphone jack, and 1 headphone jack. Moving along to the back, note the rear power supply and power plug. The Dell 7810 supports both 685 watt and 825 watt power supplies, and swapping or replacing them is easier than ever. The system has the following ports: 3 USB 2.0, 3 USB 3.0, 2 legacy PS2, 1 RJ45 network connection, 1 serial port, 1 audio line in, and 1 audio line out. To open the system, lift the latch found on the side and remove the cover. We can now explore the internal components. The 7810 has onboard support for SATA drives, with an optional controller required for SAS drives. The system has an integrated AHCI 6 gigabit per second SATA controller with 6 ports, supporting RAID 0, 1, 5, and 10. Additional RAID options are available through the use of other RAID controllers. The hard drive bays are located near the front of the system. The hard drives are installed into these trays. With the appropriate adapters, these 3.5-inch trays can be converted for use with 2.5-inch solid-state drives. The motherboard has 2 PCIe X16 Gen 3 slots, 1 half-length PCIe X16 Gen 3, 1 PCIe X4 Gen 2, 1 PCIe X1 Gen 2, and 1 PCI slot. PCIe Gen 3 slots are typically used for video cards. Please note the system comes with 2 6-pin power connectors. This system also has an optional mounting bracket designed to secure larger video cards. The Dell 7810 supports the video cards listed on the screen. Continuing on with the motherboard, this system can support up to 2 Xeon E5 2600 V4 series processors. There are a total of 8 memory slots on the motherboard, 4 for each processor. Each memory slot can support up to 32 gigabytes of 2400 MHz DDR4 RAM for a max total of 256 gigabytes. Higher memory configurations may work, but they are not supported by the manufacturer. All in all, the 7810 is a wonderful high-end system that can handle the most demanding workload, making it ideal for processor-heavy applications and graphical editing. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video to be useful. If you're interested in the Dell 7810 workstation, visit techboost.com for the best deals on refurbished systems.